So here's another few steps for creating the Google Meet. So if you start from your classroom, so you can just start from the stream and then click over to classwork and then click over to the calendar. Dun, dun. So these are all some reoccurring events I created in for my classroom, and all of them are using the same link for the Google Meet, right? And that's because I made them reoccurring. So uh, if you start, so let's just create one from scratch. Great job, Wesley. I'm doing something right now, buddy. Okay, so just click on the calendar to create the event, and you can go right into this more options link. It's a lot easier, I think, to do that. So I just, give it a title. This is just a test. So if this is going to be, say, for my crew that meets once a week, do a weekly option. And making it weekly, that's what will allow to use the same link, like the same URL for every meeting. That way, when you post it to your Google Classroom, if you're meeting every Friday, for example, you can just keep using that same link. You don't have to post a new link every week. So if we go down to, after you set the time, we go down to the add conferencing feature, and it doesn't matter, the time doesn't matter. Like I had my office hours open and logged in early, so the time really doesn't matter. This is just to get that URL, right? So you get on the Hangouts Meet, right? So it's created this, and then this is the meeting ID for it, right? Ends in ZII, whatever. And so here's some other. So then I just make sure it shows up, because I want it on the calendar for, I think for this one I'm logged in my chemistry class, so I'd pick my chemistry class calendar because that's where I'm creating the event. If I was doing it for my crew classroom, I'd do it over here. And that creates the everything. You can do a description. You don't have to invite people to it. Like you can leave this blank and just give this out and everybody can use it. I already tested that with my office hours today, and it worked fine. I didn't have anybody invited. I just posted this to I just posted the link to my stream. Okay, so I've got it on the repeating, right? So I can save it. So you can see it set up. And if I go over to the next week, it's there again, right? And if I click on it, it's got that same meeting ID here. And if I want, I can copy it. So now that it's copied, I have that link. I can close out of this, right? Go over back to my classroom tab. And now if I wanted to, I can go ahead and post it to my stream, can just like paste it in, right? There it is. And so it'll be just that for whatever this is, if I wanted to do it as a stream or as an assignment or post in with the assignment, but now it's been created. So hopefully that helps. If not, I can always walk you through. I can do like a screen share or something if you want. But that's how I found out the easiest way to do it. And then, like I said, making it reoccurring um, is what makes it so that it reuses that same link every time, so you don't have to go and create the new one every week, right? So hopefully that helps.